Welcome to Marketplace Watcher Pro, your automated solution for tracking marketplace listings, price changes, and competitor activity. In this video, I'll walk you through installing Marketplace Watcher Pro step by step, so you can start monitoring your markets with confidence. To acquire the program, you would have to go to our website and purchase it, and then it will let you download it. Install program. Upon downloading, you will have a zip file that you will have to double-click. That will be located in your download folder, and then you extract it. Once extracted, it will make a folder with the program in it. I'll go slow here, because this is the step everyone rewinds 3 times. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click on the zip file. This will extract the main setup file. Hit Extract All. Then Extract. Double-click on the setup. If your browser asks, "Are you sure?" Tell it you've never been more sure in your life. Congratulations! You made it this far with the setup. These next steps will get the program set up. Double-click on the file, and this will get you with the program and a desktop icon. Don't worry, this install is faster than most microwave dinners. Thank you for watching. The next video will show the workings of the program and how it can help you find great deals on the marketplace.